You're looking at some mixed questions then. Have a look at this first one. So manufacturer sells boxes of figurines. Each box can fit 15 figurines and the empty box itself weighs 2 kilograms. Each figurine weighs 500 grams. The manufacturer's truck has a maximum load of 1 ton. One day the manufacturer has had 100 boxes ordered, and I want to know, will they be able to deliver them all in one go? And we need to justify our answer, which basically means show your working. Okay, so looking at each box then. Each box can fit 15 figurines, each one at 500 grams. So I'm going to start doing 500 times 15. Which would be 7,500 grams. And the box itself weighs 2 kilograms. So let's change this into grams, which is 7.5 into kilograms, kilograms, just dividing that by 1,000. Let's add on the 2, so 7.5 add 2 is 9.5 kilograms. So each box is a total of 9.5 kilograms. So one day we'd ordered 100 boxes, so if we do 9.5 times 100, that gives me 950 kilograms, and we're told that the manufacturer's truck has a maximum load of 1 ton. Now when we're answering this question, pretending the person marking it, i.e. me, is really stupid. They don't have any understanding of what the kilograms and the tons or anything else is, so you need to tell them. Okay, you can't just go from this point to saying, yep, it can deliver them all in one go. We need to say that 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms, and then we can do a comparison. So yes, he can deliver them all in one go, as 950 kilograms is less than 1,000 kilograms. Okay, let's try the next one. So number 2, a manufacturer produces glass bottles of water. Each bottle has 375 millilitres of water, and empty glass bottles are 63 grams. For transportation, bottles are packed into trays of 144 bottles. Customer orders 30 trays of water. Apologies to my daughter shouting in the background there. And we also need to know that 1 litre of water weighs 1 kilogram. Our delivery van this time's got a maximum load of 2 tons. Can they all be delivered in one load? Let's see. So each bottle is 375 millilitres. So let's take that 375. There's 144 in a tray. So let's do 375 times 144. Definitely time for the calculator now. That's 54,000 millilitres. I'm going to change that into litres. So that would be 54 litres. I'm changing it into litres because I know that 1 litre is 1 kilogram in weight. So I know that 54 litres is 54 kilograms because it's the weight that I'm interested in. My empty glass bottles then are 63 grams. There's going to be 144 of them in each tray. So 63 times 144 is 9,072 grams. Again, I want this in kilograms so that matches. Get 9.072 kilograms. So each tray, apologies for my daughter shouting again, each tray would be 54 plus the 9.07. That should be a 9. Okay, so adding them together then, 54 plus 9.072 is 63.072 kilograms. That's in one tray. The customer orders 30 trays, so let's times it by 30. which is 1,892.16 kilograms. My maximum load this time is 2 tons. 2 ton is the same as 2,000 kilograms, which is bigger than 1,892.16 kilograms. So we can say, yes, this can be done in one delivery. And again, we pretend that I'm really, really silly and that's not enough information for me. So yes, it can be done in one delivery since 2,000 kilograms is greater than 1,892.16 kilograms. Okay, I'll leave you to try some of these. As ever, please get in touch if you have any problems.